pa. More birthdays to come. Nagigil mo ilang mamuta, nagka-inom-inom. Saan ba kami nagtanong yun?
Happy birthday, Papa. God bless and more birthdays to come.
Love you.
See you soon.
God bless you. Mabuhay ka pa hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday, Lolo Gani. Enjoy your day. I'll miss you and I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Pa, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday para makasama ka pa namin matagal. Ingat ka lagi yan pa. God bless. Kaya na hindi kami nakauwi. Enjoy your day lang pa. Stay healthy. God bless. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
May you have more birthdays to come.
Always stay healthy.
Enjoy your special day.
We
Love you.
Happy birthday, Balae. May you have a wonderful day today. Wishing you a good health. God bless you always. Mabuhay!
Hi, greetings from Canada. Happy 70 years birthday, Lolo Gani. Wish you all good health and God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Gani. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko lang po sa inyo is good health, more birthdays to come, and happiness po. Sana po pag uwi ho namin is makita-kita po ulit tayo. Once again po, happy 70th birthdays po sa inyo. Enjoy po.
Happy birthday, Pa. More birthdays and more candles to blow. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for us. Even I am not perfect daughter and good enough to our family. Always remember that I really love you so much. Good health and God bless.
Birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa pagluluto araw-araw. Thank you, Lolo, sa pagbibigay ng baon at pagluluto araw-araw.
Happy birthday, Lati, ka sa pagbibigay ng baon natin araw-araw.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you. I love you.
Happy birthday pa. Stay healthy palagi and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to the greatest father in the whole world, my Papa Gani. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lo. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para makasama mo pa kaming mga apo mo. Lo, bawasan mo na yung paninigarilyo mo at pag-iinom mo ng alak. Mahal ka namin palagi, Lo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday pa. More birthdays to come. Sana matag panangaro mo si Stephen. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday pa. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. And thank you sa pag-aalaga mo kay Stephen. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa paghatid sundo sa amin. Sana lagi kang malakas. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa pagbibigay sa amin ng mga pera. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy, Lolo. Kunin ko yan.
Happy Lolo.
Love you.
Happy Lolo.
Happy birthday, Papa. Wish ko lang sana healthy lagi yung pangatawan nyo ni Mama at sana makauwi kami sa susunod na birthday nyo para makompleto tayo. Enjoy your day, Pa. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Pa. Ang wish po namin lagi sa inyo ay sana bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at masiglang pangangatawan. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga nyo sa mga apo nyo at pagmamahal nyo po sa amin. We love you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa amin.
Birthday, Lolo. I love you.